Hello everyone, this is Nick, back at the range. Last time we zeroed our rifle at 100 yards. And then it got dark, so we had to continue today. I want to shoot it at 300 yards. I have the same bullets, the Sako polymer tips, so let's go back 300 yards and shoot it from there. The first rounds that I want to experiment with are the Fiocchi FMJs, full metal jacket, so let's try and see where it goes. The rifle we will be shooting today is the Sabati Rover 870 in caliber 30-06 lefty edition, and the optics I have is the Vector Optics Continental 1.5 by 9 by 42. That means 1.5 until 9 magnification and 42 millimeter lens. So without further ado, let's get to shooting. As you saw, the first two rounds went on the left side, about 2 yards. Those were the Fiocchi FMJs. Now I will try to shoot with the Sako polymer tips, and let's see what kind of results that will show. So, to my surprise, the Sako polymer tips shoot just straight. They go a bit lower, so on 300 yards I was aiming at the bullseye and it went about 3 to 4 inches down the bullseye. So it was going low, but the left and right is just right. So now I will try to shoot the Fiocchis again. Maybe it was my error on the first try, so let's try the Fiocchi. As you see, the Fiocchis again went on the left side, so it's the round that is the problem, not the scope, not the zeroing. Therefore I won't be using this ammo anymore, and that's why you have to realize that you have to shoot different brands of ammunition, and when you zero with whatever you shoot, then you have to stick to that. So now I will only be shooting the Sako polymer tips. I have just a few rounds left, and I will shoot one more round now. So as you saw, at 300 yards I was aiming about here and it hit here. The first time I was aiming here and it hit here, one here in the ground, right here. So that means it is shooting about 3 MOA below at 300 yards. This is the last polymer tip which I shot. Now I will shoot one more round at 100 yards and we will see where that goes, and that will give me a general idea on my upcoming hunts that where I need to aim. Now I don't have extra ammunition to shoot a lot and zero and move the scope up or down, but this is also a good know-how, because now at least I know where my bullets are hitting and I will know where I need to aim at the animal to hit it. So now let's go back at 100 yards and let's shoot it from there. just as I thought. It is 1 MOA higher. Now when I zeroed it, it was 3 MOA higher, but to be honest, I don't remember which rounds I shot. I think it was the polymer tips, but therefore there is nothing new here. That this means on my last week's hunt I actually shot a deer, and it was about 100 yard shot, and the shot placement was a bit over where I was aiming. So I was surprised to see that, and now whatever I thought was right. So at zeroed at 100 means that at 300 you have to aim about 6 inches higher, which is exactly the results that we got, is the exact measurements that I did at home. So this is the 100 yards, this is 300 yards. We have a bullet drop of 6 inches. That means at 200 yards there is a bullet drop of 2 inches. Therefore, if I shot now at 200 yards, it would hit about here. So now I got the general idea where the shot placement is, and this means we are ready to hunt. Now, to be honest, I have no idea why it is shooting only 1 MOA higher on 100 yards, because as you saw in the last video, it was shooting 3 MOA high. So maybe I messed up something, but the fact is we are almost zeroed at 100. That means we are zeroed about 150 yards. We are on the bullseye. We are 2 inches below at 200 yards, and as you saw, we are 6 inches below at 300 yards. That gives us a general idea on where we need to place the bullet, and we are ready for our next hunt. Thank you very much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. I will include links to the optics down in the description, and also a link to my main channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day.